But wait, the story gets even crazier from here. The internet is completely exploding with new leaks right now. Every top leaker and tech website in the world is talking about this new drone. Let us look at what the most famous Twitter insiders are saying. First up is the legendary Jasper Ellens. You can find him on X at the handle @JasperEllens. He dropped a massive bombshell on March 3rd, 2026. He tweeted that the Avata 360 intelligent flight battery will cost approximately €70 or dollars. He reminded everyone that the old Avata 2 battery was €100 for only 31.8 watt-hours. This new one is 38.6 watt-hours, but much cheaper. Then, Jasper followed up with another viral tweet. He confirmed the €50 lens kit. He specifically wrote, "Did you scratch a lens while crashing the drone or in a bad landing? You will be able to unscrew the lens and simply pop on another one for around €25 each." That is huge news. Then, the official DJI global Twitter account actually joined the hype. They posted a wild 41-second teaser video. Their tweet from @DJI Global simply said, "An all-new dimension. Discover what is beyond," with the hashtags DJI and drone. Next, the famous leaker Igor Bogdanov, known on X as @Quadro_News, leaked actual photos. His tweet showed the standard DJI RC controller displaying live footage from the new drone. He revealed that it will have a single lens mode for normal flying. Finally, Jasper Ellens dropped one more tweet to keep us on the edge of our seats. He stated that the next official teaser drops on March 12th, 2026. He said DJI is releasing multiple videos to stop leakers and control the hype cycle before launch. The biggest tech websites in the world are also covering this nonstop. Drone XL published an article titled DJI Avata 360 Leak. Low pricing, replaceable lenses, next teaser date. They broke down how this drone will destroy the competition with its cheap $70 batteries and $50 lens repairs. Over at Digital Camera World, they released an article called DJI's New Dimension Teaser All, but confirms the Avata 360 drone, and it looks wild. They confirmed the drone is expected to shoot 8K resolution at 60 frames per second using 4-blade props. Then, the new camera website gave us the exact leak prices. Their article is titled DJI Avata 360 Price Leaked. China pricing starts at $426 buyer's brace for $999 Fly More combo. They revealed the base drone will be roughly $499 in the global market. TechRadar also chimed in with a massive feature. Their headline reads DJI Avata 360 leak shows versatile drone could beat Insta360 with one unique feature. They explained that the drone has a rotating camera unit. It flips 90 degrees so you can shoot standard flat video, which completely beats the Insta360 anti-gravity A1 drone. The news is so big, it is even going global across different languages. The famous Dutch tech site Notebookcheck.nl posted an article. In their original Dutch, the title is Nieuwe DJI Avata 360 Vault Concurrentie on Met Budget Prison. Translated to English, this means new DJI Avata 360 attacks competition with budget prices. They confirmed the €50 swappable lenses are screwed directly into the drone frame. The French version of the site, notebookcheck.biz, also covered it. Their original French headline is le nouveau DJI Avata 360 s'attaque à la concurrence avec des prix avantageux. In English, that translates to the new DJI Avata 360 attacks the competition with advantageous prices. They predict the global launch will happen by early April 2026. Finally, Imaging Resource posted an article titled DJI teases possible Avata 360 drone with all-new dimensions video. They pointed out the tiny planet visual effect in the teaser, proving it is a true 360 FPV hybrid system. Now, let us summarize all these crazy leaks in a 3 quick detail card for you to screenshot. Here is the first card covering the hardware and camera specs. Duo moting sensor, 8K 60 frames per second recording. Rotating camera module, 38.6 Wh battery capacity. For blade propellers, 04 transmission system, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Here is the second card breaking down the leaked pricing and combos. Base model $499. Standard combo $699. Fly more $999. Battery just $70. Lens kit $50. Cheap replacement parts. Beats competitor pricing. And here is the third card showing the DJI ecosystem integration. DJI RC2. GOG. Lien 3D. Motion controller support. Quick smartphone transfers. Easy automated paths. Follow me tracking mode. Seamless FPV switching. In my honest opinion, this is the most exciting tech product of 2026. DJI is finally fixing the biggest problems with FPV drones. They are making repairs cheap and easy. They're dropping battery prices. They are combining immersive high-speed flying with magic 360-degree reframing. You no longer have to choose between a cinematic drone and an action drone. This does it all. The rotating camera is pure genius. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Avata 360 is going to completely dominate the market and leave competitors in the dust. I cannot wait to get my hands on one. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.